As of 2022, the total US student loan debt is approximately $1.75 trillion. I have student loan debt myself, but fortunately it's significantly lower than the national average. I have $8,000 in student loan debt, and I plan on paying it off by reselling items from thrift stores and garage sales. I'm starting this series on my channel to show others how they can actually start reselling and how they can avoid college debt. Or if you already have college debt, you can also pay it off. So I'm starting off this series with $50, and I'm going to be taking that $50 bill and I'm going to try and turn it into $8,000 by the end of it. Dave Ramsey says it best: the best way to build wealth is to avoid debt and pay it off as quick as possible. So wish me luck on this journey. It's definitely not going to be an easy road, but I'm excited to start it. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So we're at the first stop in this brand new series. We're going to start off with the Salvation Army and see if there's anything in here to flip online for a profit. Could I see the one touch, please?
The what?
The... Yes, please. Green tags are 99 cents, right?
Yes, they are.
Thank you very much, man. Let me grab a cart. This is a great first find for the series. This is a One Touch Ultra Mini. Normally they were selling it here for $24.99, but green tags are 99 cents, only $1, and I've sold this in the past for around like $50, so this is a great find. Look at this thing.
We are Mexico way.
Oh, here we go. Life is good. Green tag, let's go. So it's gonna be 99 cents. Happy hour, only $1 for this thing. This should do well on Mercari, probably 15 to 20 bucks. White and blue tags are half off today, so this would only be $1. It's a Subaru Black Label jacket. It's like a lightweight quarter zip. It's brand new with tags for $1. Can't go wrong. Oh my god, guys, I just found the best shoes on the planet. The Nikes, the Nikes, the NKI. Man, if you're gonna make a fake, at least spell the brand name right. Oh shoot, do you guys see that down there? You guys see that? Let's take a look at these bad boys. Jordan Airs. Hopefully they're not like $1 million here. $10. I mean, let's look up this style and see how much they're actually going for. If you guys didn't know, you guys can look up Nike and Jordan shoes by this 9-digit style code. So I'm gonna go ahead and punch in 543390-439. 35 pre-owned. So 5Y, the cheapest they're selling for with the box is $72. Let's see if there's any comps though. 30 at $10. These aren't worth to pick up because there's barely any comps, and the only sold comp that's in pre-owned condition is at $28. For someone looking for a pair of Jordans for personal use, if they're a size 5Y, it's a great deal. What's this thing? This thing is brand new, sealed. Imagine if, how much is it? $8.99. Wait, green tags are 99 cents today. Dang, this is like a $40 game on Amazon, but I'm not approved to sell it. Hey guys, so I'm back home and I wanted to show you guys something. So I actually got auto ungated to sell this on Amazon FBA. It's selling for $38 and I'd be making $27 after fees. I'd be able to make $25 in profit selling this on Amazon versus only $10 on eBay. So I actually went ahead and just put up a poll on my Instagram to see if you guys want me to sell on Amazon FBA as well. So everything from yesterday is now listed. First off, I listed this happy hour long sleeve shirt on Mercari. I listed it at 25 bucks, but I always shoot high. I basically always shoot my shot on Mercari, try to get as much money as possible. Realistically, this will probably sell between $12 and $15. This One Touch Ultra Mini was brand new. Listed this on eBay for $70. Listed the Subaru jacket for $15. And after the vote on my Instagram, you guys actually want me to sell on Amazon FBA and just wait until it sells. So when an item does sell, I'll just go ahead and throw the screenshot so you guys know I'm not lying. So it's been a few days since I actually picked this up at the Salvation Army, but I cleared out most of the shelf up here to put for the resell my way to AK series, and I actually sold the One Touch Ultra Mini for $49.50 plus shipping. So I think we have like $90 to spend right now on items at the thrift store. I found a couple of hidden games in the video game section, but the Diablo's empty. I probably would have been able to make like $6 to $7 in profit. And then Uncharted 3 Drake's Edition is complete, but it's not worth it to resell for a profit. So I picked up this Ralph Lauren cardigan. Normally I don't pick up this brand. I usually prefer to pick up Polo Ralph Lauren, but this was actually brand new with tags, and it was a long cardigan with like the shoulder patches, and it was brand new with tags. I feel like I couldn't pass that up, so I picked it up for $6. And then I found this Living Language CD/book set. It was actually to learn Japanese. I picked it up for $10, and it's actually worth a decent bit on eBay. No, these are just Japanese learning books, that's all.
So you just want to learn it?
So I only ended up getting 2 things to flip at the thrift store. I picked up these Japanese DVD slash book set. I kind of overpaid a little bit. It was $10, but I saw a sold comp on eBay for $48 free shipping. But since it's books and CDs, it's gonna go media mail. One sold pretty recently, so I should be able to sell this relatively fast. And then I picked this Ralph Lauren. I think it's a cardigan, but the nice thing about this is that it has this material here on the shoulders. I'm not sure exactly what that's called, but I'm pretty sure this ups the value of it a little bit. And it was brand new with tags. Someone actually cut off the little original price tag though piece from the bottom here. So I think I should be able to get at least $35 to $40 on this, if not more. And at the counter, the cashier and this other lady was just super duper nice. She brought up these reusable shopping bags, right, up to the counter, and I was like, oh, one of those is Lululemon, and she ended up giving it to me. So I'll probably just give this to my girlfriend Emma. I'm not sure if she's gonna have a need for it, but I mean, if she doesn't want it, I guess I could sell it for $5 on Mercari. But in total, I spent 16 bucks at that thrift store, and let's see what we can go ahead and get at another one. Does anybody else hate it when someone leaves a shopping cart near your car? Like, why do people gotta do that? Like, go ahead, stop being lazy, walk the 20 feet back over there, and leave your cart back where it's supposed to go. It's been a few days since I went to the last thrift store, but I'm actually going to go to the same one again, and I'm going to tell you why. Regular Goodwills in my area are not good / overpriced, and I honestly do better at smaller thrift stores. The Salvation Army is great, but it's 30 minutes away, and the Goodwill bins is 1 hour away from me. Honestly, I've had no extra time this week to go that far, so if you don't have extra time to go ahead and travel that far of a distance, I encourage you to give a chance to your small mom and pop thrift stores if you've given up on them. There haven't been many finds in this episode, but that's the realistic side of reselling that you guys need to be aware about. When you're first starting out and you have little capital, you want to be very picky with what you're actually buying. So you want items that either sell really, really fast, or you want items that you actually buy for like little to no money, like maybe $2 or less, that you don't mind sitting on for a little bit. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the thrift store now. Let's see if we can find some good stuff. Guess who's back? Back again.
Let me see if I can clear this.
Oh no, I didn't even get to look. One of my favorite sections to shop at the thrift store is actually DVDs. They're the easiest to list and the easiest to ship. So what I'm doing here is pulling out any DVDs that are actually brand new sealed. And I found 3 workout DVDs. They're called The Firm, and they're all brand new sealed. The DVDs in here were actually $2 each, but I ended up getting a discount, which you'll see in a second. And you'll never believe how much these are worth on Amazon. All right, guys, so that was pretty crazy. I thought these DVDs were going to be $2 each, but the lady at the counter only charged me $1 each. So I only spent $3 on these DVDs, and some of them are going for crazy money. Like I saw like on Amazon, the one, I think the one with the purple shirt, or whatever you want to call this bodysuit, $75 in brand new condition. Granted, it might not actually sell for that, but that's the current lowest listing, and it has like 120 reviews, so people are actually buying this, and the ranking is pretty decent as well. And then as for the other DVDs, I'm pretty sure one was going for around $30 or $40 brand new on Amazon, and then the other one didn't actually have a listing in new condition on Amazon, so I can kind of set my price, maybe 20, 30. I don't know, I'll just have to take a look. But I took a look on eBay just for this one, just to make sure that the prices were actually, you know, somewhat accurate. But this is selling for like $30 free shipping on eBay. So at the very least, I could make $25 in profit after fees and cost of goods. And honestly, that's why it pays to branch out into so many different categories: DVDs, books, CDs. When you can't find anything in one specific section of the thrift store, go ahead and branch out into something that you might have never tried before, because brand new sealed DVDs is definitely something that you should be on the lookout for. So anyways, I'm going to leave you guys with the total budget for the end of this episode, and I'm actually going to go ahead and list everything that I haven't listed already, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.